This represents a real problem that I had to deal with yesterday. What we have here are orders in column L. So East 1, East 2, East 3, they're different orders. And E1 is ordering 10 jars. Over here we see all three units want some wrappers for a total of 28 wrappers. It goes down here to North. Okay, and North wants 17 boxes. So I just need a summary of what the different needs are. There's a lot of ways of dealing with this opponent here. I could use SUMIFS. I could get rid of these blank rows and do a pivot table off of this. But I'm not going to fool around with this. No, we've just got to go straight for the knockout. So I'm going to highlight this entire range. Create named ranges from the top row and the left column. So I just had to get mad at some point and say this data is not going to whoop me and I am not going to play with it. It's late and I want to go to bed. So now we have the named ranges. Look here, we've got the named ranges in this list here. And what is, okay, so I'll show you one. If we click on, what is E1? E1 is that. And Southeast is there. Excellent. Now, you notice some of these underscores in these names, like North Hill. Named ranges, they don't like hyphens, ampersands, colons, so they'll automatically turn the spaces into underscores. All right, so what that means is I have to be prepared. So let's say insert. Now I'm gonna say, let's start here actually. Equals substitute in what text? This text, comma, what's the old text? The old text in this case is a space. Comma, what do I want the new text to be? I want it to be an underscore. So now we've got Fort Grand with an underscore instead of a space. Let's bring that down. North Hill also has an underscore instead of a space. Now, here is the knockout blow. Equals indirect. East. Close parentheses. Space for the intersection operation. So I want indirect and bag, close parentheses. But we need our absolute and relative cell references to be right because we're going to drag this formula. Okay, so we want column B to stay the same. So go to column B and put the $sign. We want row 5 to change. And when we get to C4, we want the 4 to change when we drag this. Uh-oh. All right. Ha ha. All right, here we go. We got the 20. East, does East want 20 bags? Let's see. East, 20 bags. All right. Oh. Wrappers, 28 wrappers. Yes, 28 wrappers. Let's bring this down. Hot damn. Let's see. Cartons. 10 cartons for north. Let's see. Yes, 10 cartons for north. There it is. See, no messing around with this stuff. We got the data. We got the knockout punch. We can go on with life. See, it takes having the attitude that this data is not going to whoop you. Be tough.